low. So, meron tayong problem uli, no? Application to ng indefinite integrals. No? Find the equation of the family of curves. So, ang pinapahanap sa atin dito is equation, no? Yan yung pinapahanap ng alin? Ng curves whose slope, binigay yung slope at point x and y where which m is equal to 3 x square yan, x square y. Find the equation of the curve of the family which passes itong point na yan, 0 and 8. So, alam na natin yung solution dito. Given yung given yung m, yung slope is equal to yung slope kasi sabi ko nga kanina, that is equal to dy dx, and that is equal to 3 x raised mo sa 2 yan, 2. Ayusin ko lang at this is 3 x raised mo sa 2 y. Okay, and then we have we can get from here yung sinasabi nga natin na dy over y is equal to 3x raised mo sa 2 dx. Ni-rearrange lang natin to. Ito, ni-rearrange lang natin dito. Then, after that, we can say na pwede nating kunin tong pwede nating i-simplify ito, no? Paano natin i-simplify ito? Isosolve natin. Next slide. We can say na yung ln y is equal to x to the third power plus c. Yun na yung solution natin. Or we can say na ito ay equal sa x to the third power plus ln c. So remember na gusto nating makuha yung ano rito, yung c. That's our focus. And we can say na yung y is equal to c. Okay, e natural to raise mo sa 3. Sorry, that is not 2, that is x. Okay, x to the third power, kumbaga. Ayan. Therefore, ngayon, kung gusto nating makuha yung c, i-plug in natin yung given, no? Yung when x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 8, what will happen? We can get c. So, y, substitute natin. Y is equal to 8. And that is equal to c. Raise mo sa x, which is 0. Raise mo sa 3. So, you will get, what you will get is c is equal to 8. Okay, mayroon ka na c. Let's proceed further. We go to the next slide. Therefore, yung ating y, balik, substitute mo ngayon yung c sa equation kanina. Yung y is equal to c. Raise mo sa e, x to the third power. Ngayon, substitute natin itong c rito para makuha natin yung equation. Y is equal to 8 times e times x, raise mo sa 3. So, ito yung pinapahanap sa atin. This is what the problem wants us to solve. Yung equation na yan. So, this is the answer. Okay, let's go back to the question. Yan. Find the equation, sabi dyan. Find the equation, di ba, of the curve to family which passes through this point. So, ang technique, hanapin mo yung C using yung mga equations na to. Tapos, para makuha mo yung C, gamitin mo yung given na point na kung saan doon tumatakbo yung curve na yan. Okay, and then you will find the equation for that curves. Okay, so that's the beauty of infinite integral. That's all for now. Bye.